Good afternoon, Con here with Techout. Today I wanted to do a video on something I found on eBay that I found quite interesting. Also, I'm trying out my new Razer Nari Ultimate headset. I'm using the mic on that to do this recording. So we'll see how the sound quality is on the microphone. Audio quality is really good on the headset itself, but we'll see how good the microphone sounds. So this seller right here, VI3 Tazenboy 11, whatever. So I noticed on all his listings he has this nice little message down here. By buying and you decide to scam me or have buyer's remorse and use eBay protection, I will sue you in small claims. And by buying this, you forfeit your right to your jurisdiction, meaning if I sue you in small claims, you have to come to my courthouse in Ohio. He has that on all his listings. I was like, really? I've never seen that before. I don't think he had it on that one. Yeah, not much of a description on that one. But everything else, it is in there. I'm pretty sure this is against eBay policy to be threatening people in your description like that. So yeah, thought that was pretty funny. This guy is so worried about getting scammed and people using buyer protection that he puts that in all his descriptions. He looks like he sells mostly like phones and laptops, computers, and stuff like that. He's got some systems on here he's listed as new, like this one right here. I don't really think it's new. It looks kind of used. There's like some dust in there and stuff like that. Definitely, I don't know if he just built it or what, but it doesn't look like a brand new system to me. But yeah, so he's got that in all his descriptions. I just thought that was pretty funny.